So one thing I hate the most, it's not actually the dealerships, but it's dealership pricing. So we're going to do maintenance on the Cayenne today. This is the Cayenne Coupe Turbo, and we need to, first off, figure out what the hell we're doing. So first step, we took this little Jimmy Jam off so that way we can get to pull this thing off. And then now we are going to have a great time pulling really expensive shit off. Oh man. Okay, so once you get all of your really expensive $1,000 plastics out of the way, non-recycle, yeah, no, none of this you recycle because, no, we're gonna take the plastics off, and the reason why, I'm getting to these Torx bits that are 1 and 2 over here and on the other side to get this brace off. So let's, oh my God, dude, this is so sketch. And like, the best part is that Porsche techs do this every single day. Okay. It's like one of them hot V8s, you know what I mean? Now, T25 here, T25 also here, T25 here. The reason why I'm doing this is because my information tells me, my intel tells me that the oil filter is in the V. Just leave it to Volkswagen, Audi, you know what I mean, to give you the most complicated thing. And the reason why is because an oil change for like a normal car is 0.3 hours, respectively, right? In this case, an oil change is like 3.2 or maybe, you know, 17, depending on how badly you want to get absolutely fucked. If you come to the dealer pre-lubed or not, it really depends. So make sure you, when you buy something like this, just lubricate yourself pretty good. You're subject for, you know, pain. Here's this and this. All right, so we should have the 4 Torx bits on the top and filter. Okay, let's go from the rear.
There you go.
Oh, okay.
Be able to pull those right off. There you go, like that.
Slip.
And then when you throw it back on, we'll just see those.
Slip. Oh, that's hot.
Yeah, watch the metal.
Oh, that's hot. Yeah, that is hot.
Right here.
Okay.
There you go.
It's fucking Tetris. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, watch out.
So this is the worst thing that I've ever seen in my entire life. This is literally, okay, if there's one thing I had to tell an engineer, why? Why? So now that we have the tabs off the rear, a dead fly, a leaf, and we pulled these 2 intake inlets off the front here, and then this one again off the middle. So again, this, you need a towel or something because this motherfucker's hot. So let's go ahead and pull that right out and slip you somewhere nice. So this is the most trusty tool I've ever had in my entire life. This thing is gonna come in clutch. We need to take the intake off, and of course, helps with your 90-degree nonsense. I could have ratcheted it, now that I think about it, with like a socket. I'm pretty sure Ross said that to be specific, and I did not listen to him. Why? Because I'm a bit of a masochist myself. Brother, I have 1,500 hours in Escape from Tarkov. Like, I love pain, okay? All right, gonna plug those bad boys in there and forget about it later. Yes. So we need to take these 2 Torx off so we get the top of the frame. You can see the filter right there. Oh, and that guy. Yeah, so there's 3 Torx bits that we got right here. So let's take those off, filters right there in the middle. All right, who's up? Who wants to guess? 30?
No, it's 27.
Something stupid like a 27. It's a 30, thank God. Easy peasy, no power tools needed. And boom. All this is what you had to take off in order to do an oil change. Okay, so now we have the crossbeam off. We can get to the oil filter, which is a 32 mil. Oh my. Okay, previous tech said, go ahead and fucking send it. Thanks, Francis. You've got it delicately.
Is there a new gasket in there too?
Brother. Okay. Oh! So we have O-ring, nice and wet. Put this on your $120,000, $180,000, whatever fuck depreciation mobile. What you need to do first, okay? You set this, you know, take some of that right there. and then you just kind of lube your rings. You know what I mean? You always have to lube your rings. And it doesn't even, if somebody says to me in the comments, they're like, I don't use old oil to lubricate my O-rings. I prefer putting my fingers in new oil. Bro, go drink your triple distilled water, your goddamn, go get your prime, you know, water bottle of energy drinks or whatever. Yeah, goddamn freaking lunatic. Yet, this is a $182,000 car, okay? We're using old oil. It's a Volkswagen. It doesn't matter. It's all just a Volkswagen. You put your filter on. You set your tools on your $180,000 rain tray or intake tray, and you slap that guy in there like meow. Move the line out of the way. Dude, this thing is sick.
I'm gonna buy one of those.
Buy one of what?
That one.
All right, now that the filter's on, we can take our little bibs off. And here's your $400 or oil dipstick. Houseway.
It's coming.
This. And then I just fucking yeet. This is the dipstick, interestingly enough. Yeah, or just a plug. And yeah, we're gonna put this somewhere safe because I'm not paying for that. Now we take our suck machine and insert it into the dipstick. Oh, yeah.
Look at how dirty it is.
What are the characters? I'm like the guy that fights Wile E. Coyote. Like, and this is gonna get him this time. This is the most annoying shit I've ever done. Wait, and how many quarts is this?
9.6.
So if you want to get your chest workout. So now we take our $200 million drain oil dipstick plug, put that in there nice and tight. They're gonna go take it for a quick test drive, make sure the oil levels are good because it takes a long time to fucking, you gotta wait until the oil level in the car says it's good to go. So they're gonna go pick up food and then I'm gonna do Jay's oil, and that should be honestly way easier. That took literally forever. So while they go get food, we're gonna do that. Sick. This should be significantly easier. We have, was it 32 mil on top?
Yeah, I believe so. That one is not. That's a 36. It's this guy right here.
Cool. There's like less stuff on
I know,
this
right?
too.
It's just a lot.
Incredible.
Yeah, like you can get started much faster on this one.
I
right?
have like trauma from that, dude.
Right?
I've never, I mean, I guess that's why it's like, what, 800 bucks for a freaking oil change?
Yeah.
800 bucks in my next 5 years oil change my car.
Dude, I swear, I was like, 800 bucks is probably what I put in maintenance on the Mark 7 in the course of 8 years.
Yeah.
Got that down. And then.
You know what I realized?
Huh.
If I owned this car and you put on we had a jacket like this, I would need a step.
You still need, you need like a step stool?
I didn't even look out. I had to step on the stairs like. I didn't realize that. I was like,
Why don't you come stand over here, just
Yeah,
so
why
we can.
don't you, it would just put your feet on that thing
yeah,
really quick.
I barely reached the fucking vent in my hand.
While you do that really quick, I just want to show. Woo! Oh, did you break something?
No, that plug
Yeah.
that we were just talking about that's really expensive on the other car?
Oh no.
No, it's right here.
Oh.
Wait.
It's shot up in the air though.
Oh, I can't believe I missed that. Oh no, let me see.
It's all good. No, it's good.
Oh, it's fine.
good.
Hell
We're
yeah.
good.
So while Jay's doing that really quick, we're gonna take a look at
The difference between.
old Mike, how my Mike fits in this car more than he would fit in that. I have sat in this thing and I swear I don't think this fits normal sized human beings. Anybody over the height of 5'1" is comfortable or not comfortable in that thing.
So one of the things I'm going to do, I took that little drain plug out,
Okay.
dipstick plug out, because I have one of these that does not come with this car, but it is for this engine. I think it's for like a Touareg.
Nice.
Of the same
motor.
Yeah, the same motor, 3.0 turbo diesel V6.
Okay.
So I like to just kind of do one of these, just so I can get an idea of like, well, the in-car thing says that this is full. And so I'm like down at the bottom thing, but the in-car says that I'm totally full. So when I'm refilling this, it gives me a better like gauge of like, because otherwise you're kind of like what we're doing with Ross's car, like it's kind of a guess, right? Like, do I put too much in?
So you would get a Touareg dipstick, so that way you could check this. That's cool. Touareg TDI Touareg.
Yep.
That's cool.
Exactly. We're gonna drain it through the bottom. Now I normally do it through the top, so I normally would have taken this plug out anyway, because I would have done it the same exact way that we did that. But it's now been like 4 or 5 oil changes that I've done on this car.
Yeah.
And so I kind of want to just do like, maybe if there's some crud or shit in the bottom of that pan, maybe we'll just drain it from the bottom and then just. I think I actually have a magnetic drain plug somewhere at home. Yeah. However, this is the one. It comes with a crush washer. It comes with a new drain plug. Cool. This is what came with that FCP Euro oil change kit for this car and this motor. This oil is black.
You all felt us, huh?
Thank you, Saw.
And this, what is your oil change intervals for this car?
My light came on, I think, exactly at 5,000 miles. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be around 5,000. I added a quart. I was low, so I added a quart, I believe, just like a couple months ago. So I'm letting it go to like 70. I usually do like 75,000 or 7,500 miles.
Okay. There's so much room in this bay.
I know, right?
It's insane.
I can fit in there. Yeah. You guys do the orange shit, I'm just laying in the front.
We like open the hood up. Hey Mike, how you doing? You need anything?
I'm just chilling, man. Look.
Gatorade, granola bar. Hey man, tomorrow's gonna be a big day. We're doing quarter mile.
Let me know ahead of time, man, so you can wake up.
We give him some like pre-workout right before we go on the track. And how much fluid's in this?
It should be about 8.
Dang.
Yeah, so here you go. I don't want to get this all fucked up.
Here, I'll clean this for you.
No problem. Hey, there we go.
Dang.
Hey, there we go. All right, I think it's pretty much done. It's dripping a little bit, but I think that's good enough.
That's cool.
Well, if you look at this oil pan, it's like nice. It's all nicely funneled down too, so this is kind of nice.
Cute and tight?
Yeah, I'm just keeping it kind of hand tight a little bit more. Yep, we're good.
We're getting old, man.
No, shit, getting old? I've been old, man. Ooh, this guy. If I put this in here and there's oil on here, then we have a fucking problem. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now we fill. It's the same shit. Oh, look, and like, this is a lot more.
Way more friendly.
I know, it's so much more friendly, so it doesn't.
Point being, the diesel Cayennes are way easier to work on.
They are.
Look at that pour. The fucking difference in time and work that this takes is like, it shows. But there's a lot more room. You know what I mean? Like,
Oh, well, yeah, it's a much smaller engine. It's a lot older tech.
And it's only what, 10 years older than the other car?
Well, I think the first year for these diesels was around 2010 or 2011. Mm-hmm. So.
Oh, I see the infamous Torx everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I feel like I hate doing electrical shit.
Well, so for my
So
car,
easy.
I didn't have to wire anything into the cabin. So I have something called a trigger 6 switch. So like I have like a light, like a auxiliary light panel.
You just took it out?
Yeah, so this is magnet. It's, I have like a little mount thing, so you just plug this thing in, and then it's just like your bunch of light switches, right?
Oh,
so you have up to 6 different auxiliary lights.
Yeah.
Super cool. You don't have to wire anything into the cabin, or there's a phone app. So right now, actually, the batteries, I think these take like 2032 batteries. They're dead right now. They just died the other day.
It's Bluetooth?
Yeah, it's Bluetooth. Switch thing is dead. I need to change that up. But yeah, for these, Trigger Plus, use app. So this is a 6-shooter controller. And then I have like all my different stuff. So yeah, you can see like up top, I got my light bar.
Oh yeah.
I can have it like, flash if I want to. I have my white spotlights here. Man, I gotta clean this shit. This shit is nasty. And then I have my, so like my actual like fog lights, my driving lights are my amber wides. So this like casts everything, so you can kind of see everything, like any deer or any shit on the side of the roads, people. And then the fucking XL80s are insanely fucking bright.
Jesus.
And again, yeah, if you want to do flashing, you can do
Stroby boys.
No more punching holes through the firewall.
Yeah.
No more like fishing things through.
Now I see why it's that much. I was gonna say paying that much money for lights, but
Well, I mean, so lighting is like a big thing. I mean,
yeah.
if you want to use lighting, and you know you have to see things, like especially if you're doing like high speed night drive. I mean, if you're just like kind of rock crawling, it's nice to be able to see things around you, whatever.
Yeah.
But I mean, lighting is expensive, but there's like a science. You know, that's Baja Design's calling this the science of lighting. But I mean, there's like beam patterns. It's not just like lumens. People are like, oh,
Yeah.
this is like 1,000 lumens. I want that.
Yeah.
There's like beam patterns, other things. So if you're sitting there driving, and you know, if you're doing like, if it's pitch black
Yeah.
and you're going through the woods or you're going through something, yeah, like.
You can go past your
And that's why like people use typically like the yellow lights. It's less fatiguing on the eyes.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you're just like, you know, like running through a parking lot and you put them on for 15 seconds, like any lighting kit will do. But
Yeah.
if you're actually using them, if you're out in the middle of nowhere, you can't see
Purpose-built.
anything,
Yeah.
and you got your lights on for like hours, yeah, you'll see like an immediate difference, you know, between the $20 Amazon lights and, you know, $1,000 other, you know, things. But
Yeah.
I mean, again, it's a nice car. I didn't want to get shitty lights for a nice car.
Yeah,
you know,
hell yeah.
So.
You either ball or you fall.
Or you do both. Hey, okay.
Oh,
yeah, we're good.
Oh, we're good to go.
Yeah. Well,
That was easy.
I should probably get like one more quart.
Yeah.
Because once I run the car and everything like that, it's, you know, it's going to go through the filter and all the other, you know, coolants and all that shit. So.
And there you have it.
But there you have it, man. It's fucking done.
It's simple. So, I think
Before they even came back from getting us food.
yeah, they
I'm
went to go
fucking done.
test drive the Cayenne, the Turbo, and Jay and I finished the oil change, and that quick and that easily. So, but 5 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
5 minutes. Yeah, literally
I
5
know
minutes.
it's like they're driving to like Chantilly or some shit.
Nah, they went to Fair Lakes. Conclusion of this video. Now you know what it's like to change the oil and maintain your $200,000 Porsche, or how to change the oil in your diesel. And you can tell why one dealership or one service charge is like $800 and the other one's like what, 120?
I think they charge like 200s and change, I think. But
Yeah. So I hope you guys liked this video. Like and comment and subscribe, but also give me an idea of the next car you want to see. We'll do another owner spotlight here in the next few weeks. And yeah, check out the other videos in the channel. The video before this was about the differences between the two cars from the outside and why we have one or the other. So, but yeah, I appreciate you guys watching the video, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.